let us build the experiment. This 6-volt DC motor is attached to output pins 1 and 2. Now this one over here is attached to our output pins 3 and 4. Okay, so the power supply is 7.2 volts. This wire is between plus 7.2 volt and input pin in 1. The second wire is between the ground and input pin in 2. The third wire is between input pin 3 and plus 7.2 volts. The fourth wire is between input pin 4 and ground. And this wire, the red one, is to be attached to plus 12 volt connector to the plus 7.2 volt. The black wire is attached to ground of the driver, to the ground of the power supply 7.2 volt to the ground. Okay, now as you can see, the DC motor are spinning. Okay, by reducing the voltage, I can know the direction of the rotation of these DC motors, and I can also change the direction of the DC motor. If I switch, okay, in 1 to ground and in 2 to plus, I change the direction counterclockwise. In 3 to ground and in 4, now I change the direction. Now it's counterclockwise. If you switch the wires connected to output pin out 1, out 2, out 3, out 4, you can also change the direction of the rotation.